Hello, and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to talk about a phrase you've probably heard a lot: low-maintenance decks. It sounds great, but what does it actually mean in real life? Let's start with traditional wood decks. Wood can look great and feel solid underfoot, but it doesn't stay that way on its own. In our climate, a wood deck usually needs regular cleaning and periodic staining or sealing to protect it from sun and moisture. If that maintenance gets skipped, you may start to see graying, checking, splinters, and in some cases rot in areas that hold water. When people say low maintenance, they're usually comparing that level of upkeep to composite decking. Composite boards are made to handle moisture in everyday use with less ongoing work. That doesn't mean they never get dirty or never need cleaning, but you won't be sanding and staining them the way you would with many wood decks. For a lot of homeowners, especially on larger decks, that difference in routine care is a big deal. Brands like Fiberon design composite decking to resist fading, staining, and surface wear better than many traditional materials. For you, that can mean a deck that keeps its color and surface texture more consistently over time, with basic cleaning instead of more involved refinishing work. The structure under the boards still has to be built right, but the walking surface itself can be easier to live with year after year. In certain situations, especially over living space or where water control matters, waterproof vinyl systems like ToughDeck may be part of the conversation too. These systems are designed to protect the area below while providing a walkable surface on top. They're not for every project, but when used in the right place, they can also reduce the ongoing work needed to keep the area below dry and usable. So when you hear low-maintenance deck, think about what that means in terms of your time and budget over the next 5 to 10 years, not just this season. Are you comfortable doing regular staining, or would you prefer a deck that mostly needs cleaning? How big is the space, and how often will it be used? These answers will help guide you toward the right material. If you'd like help choosing a deck that matches your real-world maintenance plans, you can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com. We'll walk you through wood, composite, and other options and help you line them up with how much upkeep you realistically want to take on. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Orlando. When you're ready to build a deck that fits both your lifestyle and your maintenance comfort level, Tough Deck Builders Orlando is here to help you choose materials built for long-term, everyday use. Would you like me to now create the remaining 9 episodes for the other topics you listed earlier in the same Orlando format?